Hello and welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at gadgets and what happens when the rubber coating on them becomes a little bit sticky. Is there anything we can do about it? Well, yes there is, otherwise there wouldn't be a video. Let's head over to the sofa and see what we can do. So here we are on the sofa and I have my little torch, my little gadget, and it is a hard plastic body. Because this won't work if these are just like lumps of silicone. It's a hard plastic body with silicone rubber sprayed on it, and over time this stuff just goes a little bit sticky. It's a bit of a problem. So this is my wind-up torch. If I turn it on, you can kind of see that it gives a little bit of light. It's a useful tool. It's got a little handle on the back. I'm trying to do this one-handed because if I get two hands in the frame, everything just kind of disappears. But you can give it a turn and you get electricity. I have used this before when all my other torches have died. I was walking home in a storm along the cliffs. Because of where I live, there are cliffs and sea and storms and things. But this is, and you can kind of see it picking up stuff, it's getting a little bit sticky. So the thing that we're going to use is, and I'm going to say this more than once, because you're going to need to get the right stuff. It is non-acetone, so acetone-free nail polish remover. Acetone-free nail polish remover. Very specifically the acetone-free version. If you just go and grab some nail polish remover, you're going to be in for a bad time. It has to be acetone-free nail polish remover, and I'll say that once more, just in case people didn't quite get it. Acetone-free nail polish remover. So basically what you do is you get some kitchen towel. Wow, look at my kitchen towel. Because this is going to get, well, it's hopefully going to rub off all of this stickiness onto the kitchen towel, and then we throw the kitchen towel away. So you just kind of fold it out, take your acetone-free nail polish remover. I should be doing this on camera, and it's kind of hard to see through the viewfinder. Put it on the paper, and then put the lid back on. Bonk, done. So then we can just test it on a small area that's not noticeable. So I'll just test it down here. And I want to give it a little rub. Give it a little rub. And what should happen is either the stickiness goes away or we end up rubbing down to the plastic. So either there's enough rubber coating on here that we just take the top layer off and we can sort of see some gunk coming away here. So either we take the top layer off or we take all of the silicone coating off and we just expose the plastic underneath, which is why if this is just a block of silicone, it ain't going to work so well. So that's basically it. Depending on how much of this is sticky, how bad it is, depends on how long you're going to have to sit here and just give it a little rub. Add a little bit more fluid when you need it. Give it a little rub. Change this out. Sometimes, like with mice, I know the razor mice had a bit of an issue. I've done it with the razor mamba before, and then given the mouse to my brother because that's where it lives now. And I just took all of that silicone rubber off, and so there we go. It's a lot less sticky. So we'll just let that dry, and it'll be fine. So that is one very, very simple trick for cleaning off the sticky rubber from general devices and gadgets. Well, thank you for watching. I'm hoping that was at least a little bit helpful or informative for some people. If you like this, definitely leave a little like or a subscribe. And if you do subscribe, click the little bell because that'll give you notifications when videos go live. And I tell you what, I'll catch you next time. Is there anything we can do about it? I guess there is because we're recording a video. So let's head over to the channel. Is there anything you can do about it? Well, yes, there is, in fact. So is there something we can do? Yes, there is. So let's head over to the sofa and find out what we can do. First take was the best take.